China is home to approximately 20 billion chickens, making it the country with the largest poultry population in the world. The vast majority of these birds are raised on commercial farms, supplying millions of eggs and tons of meat to the food industry each year. China's poultry industry is considered highly advanced in terms of production efficiency, utilizing modern technology to optimize output. But how do they achieve this? Let's find out. China has over 40,000 poultry farms that provide eggs and meat for both domestic and international markets. Since the early 2000s, the chicken farming industry in China has undergone significant changes. From humble beginnings in people's backyards, the industry has grown into massive high-tech commercial farms. The rising demand for chicken meat, technological advancements, and regulatory changes have all driven this growth. Today, Chinese chicken producers use some of the most advanced agricultural techniques available, including automated feeding and watering systems, temperature-controlled barns, and egg incubators. These advancements have increased both production and efficiency in China's chicken farms. Farms that raise chickens for meat tend to be larger, while those that raise chickens for eggs are typically smaller. The Chinese government has also implemented various policies to support the rapidly growing poultry sector, such as subsidizing farmers and developing agricultural infrastructure. These measures have helped the poultry industry become a significant contributor to China's GDP, generating tens of billions of dollars in annual revenue and providing jobs for millions of people. On large-scale farms, chickens are raised in a safe, controlled environment with the help of modern technology. The process of raising chickens for meat is now more efficient and less wasteful. There are two main types of housing used on chicken farms in China: open pens and closed houses. While open pens are cheaper to set up and maintain, they provide a poorer environment for the birds. On the other hand, closed houses offer a more controlled atmosphere but are more expensive to build and maintain. Depending on the size of the farm and the desired output, various types of feed are used. Larger farms may import feed ingredients, while smaller farms often use locally produced grains. This makes modern chicken farming more efficient and productive than ever. But is the poultry industry set to change forever? In the United States, chicken is currently the most popular meat and is expected to remain so for the foreseeable future. According to the National Chicken Council, the average American consumed nearly 91.1 pounds of chicken last year. This growth is largely due to modern farming methods that enhance productivity and efficiency. For instance, chickens today reach sexual maturity at a much younger age than their ancestors, thanks to improvements in diet and genetics. A 5-pound bird now matures in around 5 weeks, down from nearly 7 weeks in the past. This not only saves farmers time, but also reduces the amount of feed they need to purchase. One of the greatest technological advancements in the poultry farming industry is the modern method of raising chickens to prevent the spread of disease. Today's birds are kept in clean, predator-free environments that adhere to strict standards. Technological developments have led to lower chicken meat prices, while improvements in packaging and transportation have reduced the cost of moving chicken across the nation. All industries have benefited from technological advancements, and the poultry industry is no exception. Large poultry enterprises are increasingly turning to technology to meet the growing demand for eggs and meat. Research has also focused on monitoring and improving chickens' stress levels, emotional states, and their approach to the environment they're raised in, which will help boost productivity. Technology has transformed the landscape of chicken farming in many ways, such as using air quality monitors. The well-being and productivity of chickens are directly related to the quality and quantity of eggs and meat they produce. Chicken farms have been equipped with high-tech air filters and air quality monitors to maintain a consistent atmosphere. These smart monitors detect the current air quality on the farm and provide real-time data that can be used to schedule routine maintenance. This benefits both the farm's environment and output. Next, for chickens to lay eggs, their coops need to be warm and humid. The birds need to feel comfortable in their nesting boxes, but when temperatures are low, this task becomes more challenging. Because of this, many chicken farms use LED lights to generate heat and humidity, helping the birds stay warm and produce more eggs. These lights also ensure that the coop and its surroundings are well lit, allowing the farmer to monitor everything at all times. But what about poultry diseases? With the spread of various diseases, it is becoming increasingly important to automate the chicken farming process. Automated chain feeders, similar to conveyor belts in cafeterias, deliver chicken feed to the coop without requiring anyone to enter the coop, which is a very innovative step in poultry farming, but automation alone isn't enough. Poultry farmers must constantly check on their flocks, tending to their needs for food, water, sanitation, nesting, and egg collection. Nowadays, the need for human monitoring is being reduced thanks to advances in video surveillance technologies. This historically labor-intensive industry is now relieved of some of the pressure to find and retain enough human workers. Farmers can use video surveillance to keep tabs on their chickens without having to physically be there. However, the most important advancement that modern technology has brought to poultry farming is genetics. Chickens can't produce eggs without the right favorable conditions, which mainly include humidity and temperature. Egg production in poultry farms may suffer when winter hits, but altering the feathering gene in chickens is the biotech answer to fluctuating annual output. The capacity of chickens to keep themselves warm can be greatly enhanced by introducing a single gene that improves their feathering, especially beneficial for naked-neck poultry in countries with cold climates for most of the year. Modern chicken farming and technology have come a long way in recent years. The industry has made great strides in improving chicken welfare and the quality of chicken meat. However, there are still areas for improvement, such as more research on developing non-antibiotic growth promoters to reduce the use of antibiotics in chickens, and continuing to work on reducing the environmental impact of chicken farming. The Chinese and American poultry industries are currently among the most cutting-edge in the world. Today's broiler, or meat chicken, is the result of extensive dietary research and application, or in other words, better breeding stock, smart management, and scientific disease control, all of which have contributed to its consistently excellent quality production at ever lower prices. It used to take a broiler chick 4 months to mature to a marketable weight of 5 pounds, but today's technology has shortened that time to an average of 5 weeks. Also, the average yearly egg output per hen has tripled since 1910. This is truly amazing, and no doubt we will see even more advances in future poultry farms very soon,